You're about to join a class already in progress. Jump right in.
All right, here's what it looks like on the calendar. So January, this is hot. This is what I have the PDF of. So I am giving you all of my successful promotions for each month. You're welcome. So let's walk through. Let's walk through the schedule. Some of these are very straightforward. They make a lot of sense, and some of this stuff you're probably already doing. So January, New Year's resolutions, get fit season, right? So that's your promotion is, New Year's resolutions, get fit, get healthy. Great time to create a strategic partnership with a health club or a gym. In fact, you may want to even think about doing that in December to be ready for January. Okay. February, obviously Valentine's Day, great time to offer a couples massage class. Write an article, do local TV, post the video to your website. March, Spring Fever, St. Patrick's Day, great time in March to create a strategic partnership with an accounting firm. Why do you think an accounting firm in March? What happens in April? April 15th, tax day. Accounting firms are going cuckoo. To create a strategic partnership where you're going in and doing seated massage for the accountants or for their staff. In April, we have Easter. We have April 15th is tax days. Again, a great month to create additional revenue for seated massage by working with accounting firms or tax prep places. April, I suggest you write an article as well. In May, huge Mother's Day. Best, other than Christmas, best time of the year to sell gift certificates. Now, create a strategic partnership with a florist. We created a strategic partnership at my clinic with a florist where we would offer if people would like to have a dozen roses with their gift certificate. It was one price for the gift certificate, one price for the gift certificate plus a dozen roses. And obviously we could have them delivered if they wanted. So and then also at the florist, they were like, okay, you're coming in to buy flowers. Would you like a teddy bear? Would you like them in a vase? Would you like to add a massage gift card? Slam. Really good one. June, graduation, high school graduation, college graduation is usually in May, but just graduation time frame. Father's Day is also in June, but not really a big holiday. Also, again, you can write an article, healthy recipe, talk about how massage helps with academic anxiety, that type of stuff. July, obviously all about patriotism. I like to have a client appreciation event in July, simply because it feeds business for August, and that was sometimes a slow month for us. So I like to bring everybody in, have an open house, client appreciation event, like a barbecue type 4th of July weekend type thing. Also, strategic partner. This is a great time to partner with a 5K or a 10K event. So you can have, you can do massage at the end of the 10K. You can just simply sponsor the race and put something in the goodie bags if you don't want to do massage at the race. This is also a great month to go ahead and, again, do local TV and then post the video to your website. All right, August, back to school, your strategic partnership, PTA, or teachers. And write an article about, again, either academic anxiety, and create something for your teachers. Maybe it's a 9-month or 10-month package since their school year. Just once a month during your school year, on this day, we celebrate teachers. All right, September, back to school, strategic partnership, again, PTA, teachers. This is month number 1 of EDDM. Now, you can either start it in September or October, but your EDDM is all about gift certificates. Gift certificates for Christmas. So maybe you want to start it in October. You don't have, obviously, you're not saying, you're not putting, Santa Claus and Christmas trees on a September postcard, but you're creating visibility in September, October, and November, so they think of you in December. All right, so October, strategic partner, maybe there's a local Halloween parade or a 5K that's being run in the fall, 10K event. Another great, we had, in my neighborhood, we had a great big Halloween parade that you could put stuff in the goodie bags for, and even could do a float, I think that's what they're called, you put them, things that are going in the parade. Second month for EDDM, again, write an article, submit it to your local paper, write an article for your alumni, your massage alumni newsletter. Again, the article is about something that you care about, and the purpose of writing an article is simply for visibility. And yes, you can write a blog. I hear your question. Yes, you can write a blog. That's fine. That counts as an article, but make sure it gets on your website. And see if somebody will repost your blog. All right. Now, November. This is a big one. It's the month of gratitude. Also, it's the month you're going to send your holiday cards. Now, shocker, not every one of your clients celebrates Christmas. Now, maybe you're in a rural area. I happen to be from a more urban area where we are very multicultural. And not everybody celebrates Christmas. So at my clinic, and what I suggest for your business is that you send Thanksgiving Day cards. They're easy to order. You can have them pre-printed with your greeting. I do suggest you sign them, that all your staff signs them, but that you send them out the Monday before Thanksgiving or the Friday before Thanksgiving. It is the first holiday card your clients will get. And guess what? It goes right on the mantle. And it's there straight through January until they throw them all away. So for 2 months, you get free advertising. It's also a month I suggest you do your second or third EDDM because right then it's a slippery slope and a very quick turnaround to Christmas. All right, so December, Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, all of those things that are happening, the Christmas parties, but lots of money is getting spent during December for gift giving. Another great time to write an article, maybe about, the forced family fun. That is Christmas time or the holiday season. So you'll see I've added a lot of different activities. Remember, during this, the classic, this is your annual marketing plan, guys. I just gave it to you. The other thing you're going to be doing, the two other things that aren't in here is, one, you're going to be sending birthday cards. Yes, I feel the eye roll. I know you've been meaning to do it. That's okay. No matter where you are in the year, just go ahead and organize your data. There's a whole episode, a whole webinar series I did on organizing your data. So organize your data, pull all of next month's birthdays, and just get it ready. You're going to be doing once a month, you're sending birthday cards. And then once a month, you're sending an e-newsletter. Now, if you don't know how to do an e-newsletter, don't worry. You don't have to know anything except how to make a payment online. What? What do you mean payment online? There are companies now that do it for you. Just Google massage newsletter. And there are many, many companies that as soon as you send them the email addresses that you want to receive your newsletter, they will go ahead and just do it for you. And to be honest, guys, the newsletter content, it needs to be health related, but it's really not that important. So, in any case, the two other things that are not on this PDF, in fact, I think it is on the PDF, but that is not showing you in this slide, is the birthday cards and the e-newsletter. You do that every month. All right, so there you have it, your annual marketing plan. Pretty hot, huh? All right, so what did we cover today? We covered the 10 parts of your marketing mix, the 10 components, the bricks, the stones of the foundation of your marketing, your annual marketing plan. Now, we also created, so the 10 parts of your marketing mix, just briefly: networking, speaking, circles of influence, strategic partners, chamber committee, writing articles, video, social media, every door direct mail, and staying in touch. So, congratulations, you're now armed and dangerous, right? We discussed those 10 parts. We created the schedule with what to do each month. We also discussed how much to spend and where to spend it. So congratulations! You are now ready to go. You can plan your entire year. How does that feel? Just, I know it's a lot, right? Yeah, it's a lot. But now you have your schedule. You've got a blueprint you can follow. You don't have to make this up as you go along. You don't have to make it up every month. Yeah. Peace of mind comes from having a plan. And guys, part of the reason, guys and gals, part of the reason that I spend the time to create this webinar, this whole webinar series, is because peace of mind comes from having a plan. And something that you're doing right now that most people never do, you are taking time to work on your business and not just in it. Let me say that again. You're taking time to work on your business and not just in it. So congratulations. Great choice. Let's take a quick peek ahead. So in our next episode, I'm going to dissect 2 important months. I'm going to dissect 2 important months, no matter where we are in your current calendar. In fact, as I'm recording this, we are in February. But I am going to dissect November and December to how to have a presence. Again, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, all that stuff, Snapchat, and how to have a presence without wasting your time. And then we'll also celebrate your results so far to see by following this marketing program, by following some of the hints you've learned. Well, I'm going to celebrate with you as we talk about those, as we recognize those clients who have, quote unquote, magically reappeared. So I want to thank you for the time that you've spent with me today.